We start with a vague, rough concept, then build a 3D silhouette using satellite-based meshes. Next, we use basic primitive blocks to organize the layout between buildings and terrain, before turning the concept into tangible geometry with AI-generated base meshes. Work on the town of Viceria is moving forward steadily. I still need to experiment further to see if AI can assist with the next phase of production-ready assets. This week, I'll share how to unify models with AI and also give you a quick progress update. As you can see, these separate asset models don't blend well at all. All you need to do is take a screenshot, make quick edits in Photoshop, tweak the structures, adjust the colors, and standardize all half-timber framing to either fully curved or straight lines. No high-detail polish required. Then we use my usual workflow. Cut out a perspective match silhouette from the edited image, feed it straight into Model V2Fun for one-click mesh generation, and compare the results side by side. If you want more consistent details, a few extra brush strokes won't take much effort. A critical issue here, all the town buildings look disjointed and lack cohesive design language. The solution is to find a reference image. This image sets the unified art style benchmark for the entire town. Ask V2Fun to erase all boats, street lamps, plants, and trees. All these tiny scattered assets would have to be modeled manually. It would be extremely tedious to handle them one by one. Only keep the building silhouettes. I failed to fully wipe out street lamps and antennas in this test. Every house generated afterward came with unwanted lamps and antennas. That's a valuable lesson learned. Place your style reference benchmark as image 2. Put all your edited screenshots as image 1. Type the prompt, redraw image 1 using the art style from image 2. Repeat this workflow for every single building. All buildings will then share a consistent style. After that, I lay out the road network rapidly with geometry nodes. Next week, I'll keep experimenting with AI to produce production-ready assets. If the AI workflow doesn't pan out, I have a reliable backup, geometry nodes, which are also extremely efficient. Back when I worked at a game studio, a team of over 100 developers spent 4 years building this town, and the project was still unfinished when I left. I found that absolutely baffling, so I decided to tackle it on my own. 2 years passed, and I still couldn't complete it. Then the AI revolution arrived. With the help of various AI tools and insights shared by talented technical artists, I finally feel like I can pull this off entirely by myself. All the views, comments, and support from this community have kept me motivated every step of the way, and the finish line is finally in sight. Let's keep pushing forward, and I'll see you all next week.